Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the difference between two words which are not at all confusing. Surprised? Okay, so let me explain. The first word which I am going to explain is a word which is used by many people, and the second word, that poor word, is hardly used by anyone because people don't know that word exists. Yes, so let's see which are these two words. The first word is criteria. Criteria is a standard which can be used to take a decision or to make a judgment. Jobs have their criteria. Colleges or schools have their own admission criteria. Are you getting it? What is criteria? Let me explain with the help of an example. Many of you must have seen Indian Idol. So what are the criteria they look for in a participant while auditioning? Singing skills, what kind of performer the person is, stage presence. So these are the criteria. Done? Have you understood what is criteria? Now what is criterion? Criterion is singular of criteria. What many people do is, when they talk about many requirements, they add S to the word criteria and they say that it's criterias, which is wrong. Criteria is a plural word. It is plural in itself. So we don't need to add any S to it. When we are talking about only one requirement or one principle on which our decision depends, then we have to use the word criterion. Criterion one, criteria more than one. For example, singing ability is not the sole criterion for selection in this show. Sole means one. Singing ability is not just one criteria. There are many. I hope you have understood the difference between these two words. Again, always remember criterion one, more than one criteria. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.